students, how are you? Well, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home with your family and enjoying quarantine time. Now it is time to study SST and our second block is houses then and now. And in this block we will explore some reasons why people live in different types of houses, and we will find differences between houses of the past and present in rural area. So before starting the chapter, we need to understand what is rural area. See, there are two types of area. First is urban area and second is rural area. The city part is a urban area and the village part is called a rural area. Okay, so I hope both the terms must be clear to all. Yes, now let's begin. Students, all of us live in a house. Yes, we live in a house to get shelter from heat, rain and storm, and to protect ourselves from wild animals or other dangers. Yes, so now we will learn about why people live in different kinds of houses. Can you see here? There are some different kinds of houses given. All the houses are different from each other. Yes. Now, students, some houses are like slum also. What is slum? Slum means a house with only one room, and these houses are not in good condition. As you can see here, slums are very crowded with many people living in a same place. Okay, but some people also live in a multi-story house. Multi-story house mostly found in cities, which means number of floors. Okay, so about the multi-story houses we will learn later in our next video. In this video we will learn about the rural area houses. Okay, now look at this picture. Can you see these two different kinds of houses here? Yes, these houses are made of different material. Yes, the lower house is made of mud, but the upper house is made of cement and bricks. Is it clear? The roofs are also made differently. The number of rooms are also different in both the houses. Yes, so these two types of houses are totally different from each other. Is it clear? Now my question is, why are houses different? Why do people live in different kinds of houses? See, the answer is very simple. Houses are different based on structure and material, which we have learned. Yes. Now the second thing is, people live in different kinds of houses for different reasons also. Some may not be able to buy a house of their choice because they are too expensive for them. Some doesn't like to live in big house even if they can buy it. Some people like to live in small house because there are fewer members in the family. Okay? Some people may not live in small houses because there may be fewer members in their family. Okay? So there may be different reasons. Okay students? But think on my question. What is same in all the houses? All the houses give us shelter from heat, rain and other dangers. They also allow us to stay or live together with our family or with people whom we love. Yes, so I hope it is pretty clear to all of you. Now students, have you ever been to a village? No? Okay, now let's take a tour to a village and have a small peep in Ram Swarup house. His family had only one room to sleep, eat and cook. His mother used to cook on a mud stove, which we normally call chula. He had to collect firewood every evening. So that was all about his life before 30 years. But now, after 35 years, many things have changed. Ram Swarup has different house today because his son earned well in the city. So he lives in a brick house. He has a separate kitchen and bathroom. But still some things are same, such as his wife still cook on chula. Do you want to see what is a chula? Chula means a mud stove. You can see here a woman is cooking food on a chula. This is called a mud stove also. Still his wife cook food on this chula. He still collect firewood. Still they have a water problems in their village, but now they have a television in their house. So few things are same and few different, as we learned in this story. So students, if we summarize what we have learned through this story is, in what ways have house changed in village today? See, earlier houses in village in India were made of mud and have roof of dry grasses. They cook and sleep in a same room. They did not have electric light, but these days many houses in village are made of bricks and have a separate bathroom and kitchen. Some houses also have TV. This change happened when many people earned more money. However, there are many mud houses are in village even today. So now, what feature continue to remain the same in many villages? See, some features remain same in many village homes, like cooking on mud stove, that we also call chula. We learned in the story also. Getting water from hand pump or wells, collecting firewood, and having open space around the house. Few things are still common, few things have changed. So that was all about today's topic. Okay students, now if you have any doubt related to Urban's house and this topic, you can ask me on WhatsApp and discuss with me. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you so much.